Welcome back to the K Garage once again, and today I'm here to talk about the causes of damaging charcoal canister and the failure of peg valve. One, when you fill your petrol tank, some people shake it to the extent that all the fuel gets into the tank. So they shake it and fill the tank into its brim. Two, others also jack the one side of the car, the tank place. They jack it up so that they can fill it to its brim. So immediately you get the car down, you can see that the fuel have been filled into its brim. That also can damage the peg valve and then the charcoal canister, because the charcoal canister is only made to absorb the vapor of the petrol. When the liquid and then the vapor get into the charcoal canister, it's damaged the charcoal canister because of our fill to its brim. So the vapor supposed to enter into the charcoal canister, and rather it's liquid and then the vapor which get into the charcoal canister. Immediately it gets into the charcoal canister, it causes the charcoal canister pallet to break down and clog the peg valve. So you can see that the peg valve also has failed. Immediately the peg valve fails, air will be allowed to enter into the engine in a quantity that is not predicted by your car computer, because the air supposed to be its quantity but not overdose. But because of the peg valve is not working, it allows too much air to pass through into the engine, and then the problem that it will cause when too much air gets into your engine. One, it gives you the rough idling and bounce when the engine is running. It can cause you difficult starts. It can have a difficult starting because there's too much air in the system. So it's not need to fill the tank into its brim.